Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting a free home valuation online has never been easier, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. Step 1. Start by choosing a reputable valuation platform. You'll want to pick sites like Zillow, Redfin, or Realogy that are well established and trusted by millions of homeowners. These platforms use advanced algorithms and real market data to estimate your home's value accurately. Step 2. Gather all your home information before you begin. Have your address ready, know your home's square footage, and think about the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. You'll also need to know when it was built and any major renovations you've done recently. Step 3. Enter your property details into the valuation tool. Most sites have a simple form where you input your address, and the platform automatically pulls information from public records and assessment databases. This process typically takes just a few minutes to complete. Step 4. Review the valuation results carefully once they appear. The estimate will show you what your home is worth based on comparable sales in your area and current market conditions. Take note of the range provided, as valuations can vary by percentage. Step 5. Compare multiple valuations to get a more accurate picture. Using different platforms gives you several estimates, and looking at the average of these values helps you understand your home's true market worth. This approach eliminates outliers and gives you confidence in the number.